Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to repair two kinds of holes. So this is the side stitching on athletic pants. We're going to repair that. The other kind of hole is a full hole in the middle of the fabric, and when you sew a hole like that, you're going to sew from the inside out. So we're going to turn the fabric inside out. So I'm going to use white thread so you can see what I'm doing, but normally you would use black thread or thread to match your fabric. So you're just going to pull on the thread about the length of your arm, and then we're going to cut it off at an angle like that. Now you're going to put the thread through that hole in the top of your needle. So you just slide it through the hole like that, and then pull, and now we can just smooth it out. And we're gonna start sewing. So you're gonna start sewing away from the hole where the fabric is still in place, and you're just gonna lightly pick up just a couple threads of that fabric and then pull your thread through. You're gonna go back through the same area again, pull the thread through, put your needle through the loop of thread before it shuts, and that's a knot. And we'll keep doing a couple more knots as we get closer to the hole. So move over a little bit, needle through the loop, and pull it shut. You definitely don't want to make your stitches too tight. You're being very delicate here because you don't want to see it on the other side. Now, someone asked if they should stretch the fabric when they sew or leave it. And you want to just let it lie flat, let it lie how it should look, and we'll just sew that in place. Just go from one side of the hole to the other side of the hole and close it. So again, from one side to the other side, and just gently pull it closed. And you want to sew into the fabric where it's still nice and sturdy. You don't want to make it too close to the hole. There you can see we're just gently closing it up. And if you had used black thread, then you really wouldn't notice this that much at all. Now the hole is all done, but we're going to do our knots, but we're going to do that in good fabric that's not ripped apart. So you can just keep going a little further down into the fabric until you get an area that has absolutely no hole. That's where we will do our knots. So you just go through that loop of thread and pull it shut, and we're going to do that at least 3 times. We'll do the last one here. Pull it shut. Now you can cut off your thread, and when you flip it over, you see your hole is sewn closed. And those are actually really pretty stitches, so you wouldn't really see them if they were black, but even if you did want to make it a look, this is hand sewing. That's what couture means, is hand sewn. So this is a nice little detail. It could be a cool little look. Maybe you like how it looks that way. Whatever you want. For the hole on the side seam here, where it's just kind of some loose fabric and stitches and we're just sewing it back in place, the first thing you're going to do is just take a good pair of fabric scissors, and you're just going to cut these threads. Now all we have to do is reinforce this with some stitches. So there's our loose threads and fabric in the side seam. All you're going to do is put your needle down and up through the fabric in one motion. That makes it easier. And now pull until the thread sits in that seam and you can't see the bottom anymore. Then you're going to go back through the same area and then out through the same area and pull until you get this loop of thread. And then you're going to pull that tight. You're just going to keep doing this over and over until it secures your thread in place. When you make a loop like that, you can put your needle through the loop and then pull it shut, and that knots it in place. So again, you just put your needle through one of the loops of thread, pull it tight, and now we're just going to keep stitching all the way down. We're just slowly moving down a bit, and you don't want to pull it too tight. You don't want it to pucker. You just want it to sit on top like that. And now that we've passed the part that's torn, we can soon start to make those knots. So we're going to do that now. Down and out through the fabric in one motion, then we come up through that loop of thread and pull it shut. And we're going to do that at least 3 times to knot our thread in place, and then we can cut off our thread and we're done. So there's our stitches. We've now finished our 3 knots. So all you have to do is cut the thread as close as you want, and there, that's all nice and smooth down now. And if you had used black thread, then you really wouldn't see it at all. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.